Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to find deleted calendar events in Outlook. Before we start, it's important to note that this only works in the classic version. If you're using the new Outlook version, this feature is not available in the new version. To open the classic Outlook version, go to the top right corner right here, and you can see that my new Outlook version is toggled to off. If that is on, go ahead and toggle it back to off to return to the classic version. Once you're on your classic version, then you're good to go. Now, let's find the deleted calendar event. On Outlook, go to the Mail tab right here, and on the left side panel, go to Deleted Items. Here you'll see deleted emails and calendar events together. Calendar events are easy to spot because they have the calendar icon next to them. For example, this one right here. So for this tutorial, I've created a calendar event, then have deleted it afterwards. So in order to restore this calendar event, right-click on the event, click on Move, select on Other Folders, then choose Calendar right here. Click OK, and once you do that, that event will be restored back to your calendar. Let's go to our Calendar tab, and there we go. Again, let's go ahead and delete this, cancel missing, and the event will return to my deleted items folder. So if you don't want to restore the event and want to delete it permanently, right-click on the event in the deleted items folder, click on delete, and confirm by clicking the yes button. After this, it will now be permanently removed. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.